Hello friends, welcome to the video lecture series of Engineering Mathematics 1. In previous video, we discussed various topics. Now examination point of view, today we are going to discuss some multiple choice questions. Multiple choice questions on indeterminate form. As all of you know, that we have 7 indeterminate forms. 0 by 0, infinity by infinity, infinity minus infinity, 0 into infinity, 0 raised to 0, infinity raised to 0 and 1 raised to infinity. 0 by 0 and infinity by infinity, these are the basic forms. These are the basic forms. And when you solve problems on indeterminate forms, the L-Hospital rule you have to use. The L-Hospital rule I have written. In short, if limit x tends to a, fx by gx, fx and gx are two functions, then limit x tends to a, f dash of x by g dash of x. This f dash x is derivative of fx and g dash x is derivative of gx. But when this is possible, when we have 0 by 0 form. 0 by 0 form means what? For x equal to a, f of x is 0, means f of a is 0. And for x equal to, for x tends to a, g of x equal to 0 means g of a equal to 0. In that case, we will get 0 by 0 form. And when you apply L-Hospital rule, then derivative of numerator and derivative of denominator you have to take separately. And if g dash of a is 0, for x equal to a, g dash x equal to 0 means g dash of a equal to 0 and f dash of a equal to 0. In that case, again we have to take derivative of f dash x means f double dash x, derivative of g dash x means g double dash x, and so on. When you solve problems on indeterminate form, the few formulae you have to remember. Limit x tends to 0, sin x by x equal to 1, because this will facilitate to solve the problems. Or even you can apply L-Hospital rule and you can find out the value of this limit, which is 1. And it is very clear that limit of sin x by x is 1, then limit x by sin x will be 1. Tan x by x equal to 1 for x tends to 0, and similarly limit x by tan x for x tends to 0 is 1. Limit x tends to 0, sin inverse x by x is 1. Limit x tends to 0, tan inverse x by x equal to 1. Limit x tends to 0, sin h inverse, this is hyperbolic sine and its inverse, sin h inverse x by x equal to 1. Limit x tends to 0, tan h inverse x by x equal to 1. Then limit x tends to 0, a raised to power x minus 1 by x is log a. Limit x tends to 0, 1 plus x to the power 1 by x equal to e. E is exponential constant. And limit x tends to infinity, 1 plus 1 by x raised to power x is equal to e. And these two formulae are similar, Here the multiplicative inverse of 0 is infinity, multiplicative inverse of 1 is 1, and 1 by x here, and 1 by x is replaced by x, like that means x is replaced by 1 by x. If you replace x by 1 by x here, so you will be getting this formula. Okay, this formula to remember, and one of these formulae may be asked in the examination, directly, indirectly. Means, for example, limit x tends to 0, sin 2x by 2x is 1. Limit x tends to 0, sin 4x by 4x is equal to 1. Limit x tends to 0, sin 3x by 3x equal to 1, like that. Limit x tends to 0, sin inverse of 2x by 2x equal to 1. Limit x tends to 0, sin h inverse of ax by x equal to 1. Limit x tends to 0, if a is replaced by 2, means 2 raised to power x minus 1 by x is log 2. Limit x tends to 0, 3 raised to x minus 1 by x equal to log 3, and so on. Okay, in this way also, you can have the changes here when you solve the problem. And these formulae may be asked in the examination. Now, 3 limits we are going to evaluate. In examination, the value of the limits may be asked. Now, this problem, this we are going to solve, is limit as x tends to 2, numerator by denominator. If you put x equal to 2 here, means 2 square is 4. If you put x equal to 2, minus 16, plus 12, 12 minus 16 plus 4 is 0. If you put x equal to 2 here, 2 square is 4 minus 10 plus 6 is 0. Means we get here 0 by 0 form. If you put x equal to 2, we get here 0 by 0 form. Therefore, by L'Hospital rule, limit, what to do in L'Hospital rule? Take derivative of numerator and denominator separately. Take what is derivative of x square? 2x. Derivative of minus 8x is minus 8. Derivative of 12 is 0. Derivative of x square is 2x. Derivative of minus 5x is minus 5. Derivative of 6 is 0. Now again the same thing you have to do. Put x equal to 2. If you put x equal to 2, with 2 into 2 is 4. 4 minus 8 is minus 4. In the denominator we are not getting 0. By putting x equal to 2, in this step, just you put down the value of x. X equal to 2 I have to substitute. See, x equal to 2 I am going to substitute. And what is it now? It is 4 minus 5 is minus 1. And the 4 minus 4 minus 8 is minus 4. Means minus minus gets cancelled. Means 1 by 4 is the value of this limit. Value of this limit, 1 by 4. Means in examination, the different numerator and denominator will be given. Okay, different polynomial terms will be given in the examination. Now here, if you put x equal to 0, then denominator is going to become 0. And for x equal to 0, cos 0 is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0. Okay, if is in examination, this you will be getting all indeterminate forms, If you put x equal to 0, the denominator is going to become 0 and numerator will be definitely 0. Okay, those type of problems we are going to study. Just if you put x equal to 0, denominator is 0, then numerator will be definitely get 0. By L'Hospital rule, the limit x tends to 0. In L'Hospital rule, what we do? Take derivative of denominator, means derivative of x is 1, derivative of 1 is 0, derivative of minus cos x is plus sin x, because derivative of cos x is minus sin x, minus minus plus. Now, in the denominator we don't have x, means denominator will not be 0 at any cost. In the next step, put value of x, means put x equal to 0 and sin 0 is 0. The 0 is the value of, limit of this function, you can say. Now similarly, here, if you put x equal to 0, the denominator is going to become 0. And what did I tell you? The denominator going to become 0, then numerator will be 0, you can directly write. Okay, no need to check even. Now by L'Hospital rule, limit x tends to 0. Okay, or you can use a formula for a raised to x minus 1 by x is log of a. In that formula can be used. Okay, it is your choice. Derivative of x is 1. Derivative of a raised to power x is what? A raised to x log a minus derivative of b raised to x is what? B raised to x log of b. Here a and b are constants. Okay, a and b are constant, that will be given in the examination. Now, I applied L'Hospital rule and derivative of x is 1. Now denominator does not contain any variable. Means for x equal to 0, this denominator is not going to become 0. Then in the next step, put value of x directly. A raised to 0 or a raised to 0 is 1, b raised to 0 is 1, you can directly write. And denominator is 1, no need to write. Then this is log of a minus log of b, because a raised to 0 is 1 and b raised to 0 is 1. The log of a minus log of b is log of a by b. Okay, this is the value of, this is the limit of this function. Is it? In examination, the a and b may be replaced by any other constant. Means 2 raised to x minus 3 raised to x. The answer will be what? Log of 2 by 3. 4 raised to x minus 5 raised to x. The answer will be what? Log of 4 by 4, like that. Means a and b may be replaced by any other fixed constant. Now, the fourth and fifth we are going to solve. limit x tends to 0, sin square x by x cos x. Okay, if you put x equal to 0, it will be 0 and denominator is 0 for x equal to 0. It is very clear. So you can directly apply L'Hospital rule, or you can use this formula and simplify it, because it is sin x by x equal to 1. So there are chances that this formula can be used, but here we have sin square x. So limit x tends to 0, sin square x by x square equal to 1. Sin x whole square and sin square x is the same thing. Now, what I am going to do is I am going to adjust here sin square x, and we want x square in the denominator, okay, like this. This is our adjustment. So what I am going to do, I am going to multiply by x and I am going to divide by x. Okay. Now, sin square x by x square, limit x tends to 0 is what? 1. This is equal to 1. Therefore, limit x tends to 0. This x will jump in the numerator, x cos x. Okay. And now, if you put x equal to 0, the cos 0 is what? 1. Means we are not getting 0 by 0 form. So put x equal to 0 directly. Put x equal to 0 directly. So 0 by cos 0 is 1 and 0 by 1 is what? 0. Means without applying L'Hospital we solved it. So you can apply L'Hospital rule and go on solving. You will be getting 0. Right. Now, the fifth problem. Put for x equal to 0, denominator is 0. If you put x equal to 0, 1 raised to n is 1 and 1 minus 1 is 0. Okay, here n is positive integer. You can take like this. Now, by L'Hospital rule, limit x tends to 0. Okay, this derivative of 1 plus x to the power n is this, and derivative of minus 1 is 0. Okay. Now, and in the denominator here 0, no? And 1 to the power n minus 1 is 1, therefore n by 1 is n. Okay, once again I am going to repeat. Apply L'Hospital rule, means take derivative of this term, derivative of minus 1 is 0, derivative of x is 1. Now 1 is there in the denominator, we don't have a variable. So put x equal to 0 in the next step. If you put x equal to 0, 1 raised to n minus 1 is 1, and n into 1 is n, like that. Means n is 1. Now, this 6th and 7th one. Evaluate limit of this function and limit of this function. Okay, you have to check the form. If you put x equal to 0, 1 plus 0 will be 1, and log of 1 is what? Log of 1 is 0. Okay, if base is not written, then by default it is the natural log and basis is e. Now by L'Hospital rule, take derivative of numerator and denominator separately. What is derivative of e raised to power x? E raised to power ax multiplied by a. Derivative of this is what? E raised to power minus ax multiplied by minus a. Here you can write plus a directly. Derivative of log is what? 1 by 1 plus bx. And derivative of 1 plus bx is b. What I have done? Taken derivative of denominator and numerator separately. Yes, after doing this, put x equal to 0 here in the denominator. If you put x equal to 0, then 1 by 1 is 1, 1 into b is b. Means in the denominator we are not getting 0 now. So, put value of x directly. A e to the power 0 plus a e to the power 0, e to the power minus 0, e to the power 0 is same. 1 by 1 plus b into 0 multiplied by b. Okay. Then a plus a is what? 2a, because e raised to 0 is 1, and 1 by 1 into b, like this. Then 2a by b is the value of limit of this function. Here Again, if you put x equal to 0, root of 1 is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0. Okay. Then by L'Hospital rule, limit x tends to 0, take derivative of denominator and numerator separately. Derivative of 1 root of 1 plus x is 1 by 2 root x. Derivative of root x is 1 by 2 root x. Derivative of root of x plus 1 is what? 1 by 2 root of x plus 1, like that. Derivative of 1 is 0. Derivative of 2 raised to power x is like this. Derivative of a raised to x is a raised to x into log of a, like that. Derivative of 1 is 0. Now, if you put x equal to 0 in the denominator, then 1 plus 0 is 1. And root of 1 is, you can take 1, and 2 into 1 is 2. Means denominator is not going to become 0. Then in the next step, put value of x 0. Put value of x 0. Okay, and this is equal to 2 raised to 0 is 1, means log of 2 by 1 by 2. This 2 will jump in the numerator like this. 2 log 2. And 2 log 2 can be written as log of 2 whole square. And log of 2 whole square, next step, log of 2 square is log of 4. Now we are going to solve these two problems. No? If limit x tends to 0, sin 2x plus p sin x by x cube is finite, then the value of p is required to be found. The similar kind of problem, if limit x tends to 0, 2 cos x minus 2 plus bx square by x to the power 4 is finite, then value of b is required to be found. The options I have not written. See, here the limit of this function is finite. Limit is not required to be found. Only value of p, this parameter we have to find. Here value of b we have to find. The limit is finite, that statement is there. So what we have to do here, the limit for x equal to 0, denominator is 0, therefore by L'Hospital rule, limit x tends to 0, derivative of x cube is 3x square, derivative of sin 2x is what? 2 cos of 2x, derivative of sin x is what? Cos x. P is multiplicative constant. This is multiplicative constant. So we applied L'Hospital rule. Now, as denominator tends to 0 for x equal to 0, I am writing here like this. As x tends to 0, dr in short I am writing denominator tends to 0. Okay, for x equal to 0, this is 0. Okay, and therefore numerator tends to 0 for x equal to, numerator tends to 0 for x equal to 0 because limit is finite. LT I am using for limit is finite. Since limit of this function is finite, numerator tends to 0 for x equal to 0. See, now in the numerator only, put x equal to 0. In numerator, put x equal to 0. Numerator tends to 0 means numerator equal to 0 rather you can say, for x equal to 0. So 2 cos of 0 is 1, then 2 plus p equal to 0. Therefore, p is equal to minus 2. P equals minus 2. The value of p we have evaluated here. Now, the same problem for x equal to 0, denominator tends to 0, by L'Hospital rule, limit x tends to 0. Okay, in this case, denominator is going to become 0, and for x equal to 0, numerator also going to become 0. You can check it. Here also, for in the beginning, x equal to 0, denominator is 0, and if you put x equal to 0 here, the numerator is also becomes 0. Now, by L'Hospital rule, derivative of x raised to 4, derivative of cos x is sin x with minus sign. Okay, this minus sign here. Derivative of minus 2 is 0. Derivative of x square is 2x and b is multiplicative constant. Okay. Now, for x equal to 0, denominator is 0. And for x equal to 0, numerator also becomes 0. Sin 0 is 0. And put x equal to 0. Okay. So we are not getting any output as far as this b is concerned. So again by L'Hospital rule, limit x tends to 0, derivative of denominator is 12x square, derivative of denominator. Derivative of sin is cos and derivative of x is 1 means 2b will be there. Again, if you put x equal to 0, then denominator becomes 0. And when you put x equal to 0, the numerator will be 0 and it will be b dependent. Okay, that is what happened here. It is b dependent. Means therefore, as you can write it as x tends to 0, denominator tends to 0. Therefore, numerator tends to 0 since limit is finite. Limit is finite. Okay, in this problem we have two steps. Here in this problem single step. Then what to do? Numerator is going to become 0 for x equal to 0. Numerator is going to become 0 for x equal to 0. Here cos 0 is 1. Okay, like this. Minus 2 I am shifting on the right hand side. And b is equal to 2 by 2 is 1. The value of b is 1. Here 2 times L'Hospital rule we applied. Here a single time L'Hospital rule. Now we are going to solve this three very quickly. Limit x tends to 1, this function. Limit x tends to pi by 2, this function. Limit x tends to pi by 2, this function. Okay. Now if you look at it very carefully, here when the denominator 1 is there, denominator 1, denominator 1. Here we have single term, here we have single term, means there is a product of these two functions. Okay, if you look at it very carefully, put x equal to 1, 1 minus 1 is 0. And if you put x equal to 1, then tan pi by 2 is infinity. Means this is infinity into 0 form. Infinity into 0 form. This is infinity into 0 form. When we have this form, to bring the situation like numerator by denominator, because ultimately we have to convert it into one of these two basic forms, either 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity. So I am bringing the situation that numerator by denominator. If trigonometric function is there in the multiplication, then try to bring in the denominator. Which tan can be written as cot pi x by 2. Okay, when trigonometric function is there in the multiplication, try to bring it in the denominator. And if you, now it is converted into 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity, and no need to check the form every time. But if you want to check it, then you put x equal to 1, cot pi by 2 is what? 0. And if you put x equal to 1, 1 minus 1 is 0. But this form is not necessary to check every time. Now, by L'Hospital rule, limit x tends to 1, take derivative of denominator and numerator separately. Derivative of cos is what? Minus cosec square pi x by 2. And derivative of pi x by 2 is pi by 2 here. Okay. And derivative of 1 minus x is what? Minus 1. Derivative of 1 is 0, derivative of minus x is minus 1. Now, after doing this, minus you can cancel. This pi by 2, you can write 2 by 5 here. Now, if you put x equal to 1, the sec cosec pi by 2 is what? 1. And sin pi by 2 is 1. Therefore, cosec pi by 2 is what? 1 by 1 is 1. It means we are getting 1 here, which is not 0. So in the next step, put the value cosec square pi by 2 into 1, and 1 is there in the numerator. Now 2 by pi. Cosec pi by 2 is what? 1. 1 square is 1. Means 2 by pi is the value of this limit. Here, same thing again. Limit x tends to pi by 2. The trigonometric function you can bring in the denominator. This tan can be written as 1 by cot. If cot is there, you can write 1 by tan. If sec is there, you can write 1 by cos. If sine is there, you can write 1 by cosec, like that. This is if you put x equal to pi by 2, tan pi by 2 is infinity, and sine pi by 2 is 1, means 1 minus 1 is 0. This form is what? 0 into infinity. Okay. But no need to check the form. You try to bring the situation numerator by denominator. Now by L'Hospital rule, because cot pi by 2 is in 0 and 1 minus 1 is 0, because sin pi by 2 is 1. Limit x tends to pi by 2. Derivative of this is what? Minus cosec square x. Derivative of 1 is 0. Derivative of this is cos x. Okay. Then if you put minus minus cancel, what is cosec pi by 2? Cosec pi by 2 is 1. So we are not getting 0 in the denominator by putting x equal to pi by 2. Then you stop here for applying L'Hospital rule. So you can put the value of x in this step. Cosec square pi by 2 and cos pi by 2 is 0. Cos pi by 2 is what? 0. Cosec pi by 2 is 1. The 0 by 1 is what? 0. 0 is the value of this limit. Here, if you look at this function very carefully, here we have two separate terms, this term and this term, and there is a minus sign in between two terms. So this type of problems are coming under infinity minus infinity. First term minus second term. First term minus second term. Okay. This type of problem comes under infinity minus infinity. You can check it here. Sec pi by 2 is infinity and tan pi by 2 is infinity. It's infinity minus infinity form. In infinity minus infinity form, just you create numerator by denominator situation, or limit x tends to pi by 2. You try to solve for one more step. Sec is 1 by cos. This is sin by cos tan. Okay. Now take LCM. Cos x is LCM here, and denominator is LCM. Therefore, we have to add a numerator like that. Now this you can easily solve. Put x equal to means cos pi by 2 is 0, sin pi by 2 is 1, means 0 by 0 form here. 0 by 0 form is infinity minus infinity. We have converted into 0 by 0 form. Then by L'Hospital rule, limit x tends to pi by 2. Derivative of cos is minus sine. Derivative of 1 is 0. Derivative of sine is cos. Okay, this minus cancel again. Sin pi by 2 is what? 1. The denominator is not going to become 0. So you can put down the value directly. Cos pi by 2 by sin pi by 2. Cos pi by 2 is 0. Sin pi by 2 is 1. 0 by 1 is here. Two problems. Limit x tends to 0. This term minus this term. This term minus this term. Okay, if there is a minus sign between two terms, then we can say it is infinity by minus infinity form, but that is not the general rule that we have to check. See, for x equal to 0, 1 by 0 is infinity and 1 by 0 is infinity. Okay, now here 1 by 0 is infinity and e raised to 0 is 1, and 1 minus 1 is 0 and 1 by 0 is infinity. Here, limit this problem I am going to solve first. limit x tends to 0. In infinity minus infinity form, what we have to do? Compulsorily we have to take LCM. Product of two denominator is LCM. Product of two denominator is LCM. Therefore, cross 1 into this minus x into 1 by. Okay. Now, this is 0 by 0 form. You can check it. By L'Hospital rule, limit x tends to 0. Take derivative of denominator and numerator separately. See, we are applying product rule here. First function, derivative of e raised to x minus 1 is this, plus second function, derivative of x is 1. Okay, u into v rule means product rule I am applying here. Derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x, derivative of minus 1 is 0, derivative of x is 1. Now, if you put x equal to 0 again, the 0 here and e raised to 0 is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0. Again 0 by 0 form I am getting. Again by L'Hospital rule, limit x tends to 0. Apply L'Hospital rule again. Derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x, derivative of minus 1 is 0. Apply product rule here. X e raised to x plus e raised to x and derivative of x is 1. Okay. Derivative of x e raised to x I have written in the bracket. Plus derivative of e raised to x same and derivative of minus 1 is 0. Okay. Now again do the same thing. If you put x equal to 0, this is 0, e raised to 0 is 1, e raised to 0 is 1. Means denominator is not going to become 0. In the next step, put value of x. Put value of x, this is multiplication in this way. And e raised to 0 is 1, this is 0, e raised to 0 is 1. And what is the value of the limit? It is 1 by 2. Okay, in this way you can solve this problem. Take LCM, x square and go on solving. Here, 15th and 16th, limit x tends to infinity, this function. Limit x tends to 0, this function. Okay. Then if you look at these two functions very carefully, at an index place, the variable is present. At an index place, x means variable is present. If variable is present at index, the problem goes to one of these three forms. Check it. See, if you put x equal to infinity, 1 by infinity is 0, 0. And 1 by infinity is 0, means this is 0 raised to 0 form. So when the problem is one of this type, then take log of both the sides. But before that, I am going to let the given limit by y. Like this. I am letting given limit by y. Now taking log of both the sides, log of y is equal to log of limit of this. But here, in order to reduce steps, the log of limit equal to limit of log I have written, log directly I have taken inside, and I skipped one step. Limit x tends to infinity. Now we are solving log y. I will be getting value of log y, not y. We want value of y. But when you solve this right hand side, you will be getting value of log y. And by law of logarithm, 1 by x, log of 1 by x, like this. Okay. Now, log of 1 by x is what? Minus log x. This I am writing here, limit x tends to infinity, minus of log x by x. This is log of x into minus 1. Now, we have converted this right hand side into infinity by infinity form. See, if you put x equal to infinity, and log of infinity is what? We have converted this form into infinity by infinity form. We have to convert this form to either 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity. Now by L'Hospital rule, take derivative of numerator and denominator separately. You don't forget that we are solving log y. Limit x tends to infinity, minus sign I am taking outside of the limit. Derivative of x is 1, denominator's derivative, and derivative of log x is 1 by x. Okay. Now if the denominator variable is absent, so you can put down the value of x directly, minus 1 by infinity, and 1 by infinity is what? 0, and minus of 0 means 0. 1 by infinity is 0. So log of y is equal to 0, therefore log of y is equal to 0, therefore y is e raised to power 0, and e raised to power 0 is what? By law of logarithm, log of y is 0, so y equal to e raised to 0 by the definition of, by the relation of log and exponential. In this way, the value of y we found means value of this limit is 1. Value of this limit is not 0. 0 is the value of log y. 0 is the value of log y. But y is what? E raised to 0, which is 1. The same problem. Again, 0 raised to 0 form. Let y equal to this. Let y equal to this. Okay. Then taking log of both the sides. Log of sin x power tan x. Now limit x tends to 0. By law of logarithm, tan x I am bringing here in the coefficient place of log. The limit x tends to 0. Log of sin x. This tan x is there in the multiplication. We can write here like this. Cot of x. Okay. Means this is 0 into infinity form again. And in the multiplication, trigonometric function is there. So I have written tan as 1 by cot. Now this is cot 0 is what? Cot 0 is, tan 0 is 0, cot 0 is infinity. So this is again infinity by infinity form. Okay. Now by L'Hospital rule, means we converted the 0 raised to 0 form into infinity by infinity form. Or you can convert it to 0 by 0 form also. Now log of y is equal to limit x tends to 0 by L'Hospital rule. Derivative of cot is what? Minus cosec square x. Derivative of log sin x is what? Derivative of log sin x is 1 by sin x into derivative of sin is cos x. Now right hand side we are solving. Okay, when you apply L'Hospital rule, if possible, you try to solve for one more step or two more steps. If simplification is possible there. And this cosec square is what? 1 by sin square. Okay. Minus sign I have taken outside. Sin square will jump in the numerator. Minus limit x tends to 0. Then one sign will get cancelled. Sin x into cos x is remaining. This is divided by 1. Now you can put x equal to 0. Sin 0 is 0, cos 0 is 1. Means 0 into 1 will be 0. Means value will be 0. Means log of y is equal to 0. Therefore, y equal to what? Therefore, y equal to e raised to 0, which is 1. Okay. Means value of this limit is what? 1 again. Now, very quickly, these three problems we are going to solve. Yes, in these three problems, at index place we have varying. Okay, this will go to one of this form. Now, taking log of both the sides, let us denote it by y, this by y, this by y. Take log of both the sides and try to solve the problem as we have solved, as per the method we have solved previously. Or when you solve this, there is one more formula, Limit x tends to infinity, 1 plus a by x, and this raised to power x by a. Okay, exactly reciprocal of this. And value of this is e. Okay, you can apply L'Hospital rule and you can use the procedure and you can solve it. Okay, but in short, this I tell you how to find out the answer, because you are supposed to solve MCQs and one of the answer you need to select. Now what I am going to do, limit as x tends to infinity, 1 plus a by x, and this raised to power this by a and this raised to power a. In this way I am doing adjustment. Okay, this x by a multiply and divide by a, and what is the value of this? Value of this is what? E to the power a. See, e to the power a. Okay, this a may be replaced by 1, a may be replaced by 2, a may be replaced by 4, 5, 6, 7, whatever. Okay, directly I use this sort of method. Next one is, let y equals limit x tends to 0, cos x raised to power cot x. Okay, now taking log of both the sides, limit x tends to 0, log of cos x to the power cot x. Taken log of both the sides. By law of logarithm, limit x tends to 0, this cot will come here at coefficient place of log of cos x. Now cot of 0 is what? Is infinity into a 0 form. So what to do? Trigonometric function, this trigonometric function I am taking in the denominator like this. Means cot I have written 1 by tan. Now it is 0 by 0 form by L'Hospital rule. This 0 by 0 form. By L'Hospital rule, limit x tends to 0, derivative of this is sec square x, derivative of log cos x is what? Derivative of this is what? 1 by cos x, and derivative of cos is minus sin x. Okay. Now next step, limit x tends to 0. We are solving log y, no? Log y we are solving. Try to simplify it. Minus sin x by cos x. Okay. And sec square is 1 by cos square. Okay, after applying L'Hospital rule, if there is a scope for simplification, go on simplifying the thing. X tends to 0. This minus sin I have taken outside, cos square will jump here. Sin x into cos x will remain. Okay. Now in the denominator we don't have variable. If you put x equal to 0 here, sin 0 is 0 and cos 0 is 1. 0 into this will be 0. And if you don't write minus sign, it is okay. So y is equal to e raised to 0 means y is equal to 1. Limit, let us denote it by y. Limit x tends to 0, a plus x by a minus x power 1 by x. Is taking log of both the sides. Log of y is equal to limit x tends to 0, log of a plus x by a minus x power 1 by x. 1 by x will come in at the coefficient place like this, log of a plus x by a minus x. Okay. Now this is 0 by 0 form. 0 by 0. Log of 1 will be 0. If you put x equal to 0 and 0 is there in the denominator. This limit x tends to 0. So you can apply L'Hospital rule, or for one more step I am going to increase, because finally we have to take the derivative, no? So what I am going to do, just log of numerator by denominator can be written as log of a plus x minus log of a minus x. Okay. Now, you can directly take derivative also, but I have simplified it because our derivative will be little bit simple. Log of y equal to limit x tends to 0. Take derivative of numerator and denominator separately. Derivative of x is 1. Derivative of log a minus x is 1 by a minus x. Derivative of a minus x is minus 1 parity. Minus times derivative of, this is a plus x, this is a plus x, and derivative of this is 1 by a minus x, like this, derivative of a minus x. Now, the denominator 1 is there, we don't have variable, you can directly put value of x, 1 by a plus 0, minus plus 1 by a minus 0, okay. So 1 by a plus 1 by 2a. The log of y is equal to 1 by 2a. Therefore, y equal to e to the power 1 by 2a. Okay. In this way, we have solved this. Almost all the varieties I covered. So we stop here. Thank you very much.